Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you the lesson number 7 from the book Footprints Without Feet, The Necklace, written by Guy de Maupassant. This is a French writer and a French work. All the characters and all the names are from the French writer. Yes, we have already read in the previous class about the summary and every line to line explanation of the lesson. This story is all about Madam Matilda Lozel and her husband, Mr. Lozel, and how she is neglecting and how she want a world of happiness like she wanted a luxurious life. She wanted to have many dresses and she wanted to have a jewelry. She wanted to live a lavish life. She wanted to have dinners in lavish hotel and lavish dishes she wanted to try. But on the other hand, what is the reality? She is married to a poor clerk, and she is um, every day she is facing many difficulties, like her apartment is torn apart and her chairs of the house are broken and everything. She is really unhappy. And one day they got an invitation from the party of ministers, uh, and they have invited to go to a ball dance. But what happens during the dance, and how one incident changed everything from, and they become so much poor and ruin everything. Okay, so here are the NCRT question answers within the text, within the pages. From the page number 39, very first question: what kind of a person is Madame Loisel and why is she always unhappy? Yes, we have to tell about the character of Madame Loisel and why she always remains unhappy. Madame Loisel is a young, pretty, ordinary but unhappy woman. So, she is of a humble background but dreams of riches and comfort. She wants a lavish life. She is proud of her beauty and wants to be admired. Her resources are not enough to satisfy her expensive craving, making her angry all the time. That is why she remains always unhappy. Question number 2: what kind of a person is her husband? On the other hand, we have discussed in the first question about Madame Loisel, Matilda Loisel. Now, the question is about her husband. Her husband, Mr. Loisel, is an ordinary and average young man, a clerk by profession. He is still contented with his job. He is really satisfied what he has in his life, what he has in his job. Also, he is a caring man, as he is excited to show the dinner invitation to his wife, how he take care of his wife and how he helps her in all the incidents and in all her life. So that's make a different person. Mr. Lozel is really a very good person. Question number 3: what fresh problem now disturbs Madame Lozel? What problem? During the lesson, we have read about that for the party she needed a dress. When the problem of a dress solved, then she has a new problem. Now, in this question, we have to discuss about what now disturbs her. After spending a fortune, what kind of fortune? Mr. Lozel has an amount of money who he has collected for his hunting. He wanted to go to the hunting in the summer. So all the 400 francs he had given to Madame Lozel to buy a dress. Now she has a beautiful dress. Madame Loisel is faced with yet another disaster. She frets over the fact that she does not have a beautiful jewel. This is the problem for her now. To go to with her dress to go to party, so she asks her husband to pass on the invitation to someone else. She said that give this invitation to your colleague, and their sorry, his wife will accompany him. I don't want to go to this party, as we have read in the lesson. You will easily recall that part. Question number 4: how is the problem solved? Now, the question we have read here, that she needed a beautiful jewel. Then, how the problem is solved? Matilda Lozel's husband, Mr. Lozel, comes to her rescue. First, he suggests her to wear fresh flowers. He gave her idea to wear a garland of flowers, but she laughed at this idea. She mocked at this. Then he advises her to borrow some jewel from her rich friend, Madame Frostier. Thus, the problem is solved as Madame Frostier lent her a beautiful diamond necklace. From the page 42 in the book, in the lesson, question number 5: what do Mr. and Madame Loisel do next? What happened? When you read the everything, the passages from the page number 42 in the lesson, you will find that they have lost the necklace. So, what happened when uh, the necklace is lost? The Lozels. Who are the Lozels? Mr. and Madame Lozel leave no stone unturned. Why? Because they have put every effort to in search of that necklace. Mr. Lozel goes back and searches to the lost necklace. Then he goes to the police and to the cab offices. Also, they put out an advertisement in the newspaper also, and offer a reward to anyone who finds the necklace, but all efforts go in vain. कुछ भी काम नहीं आया. How did they replace the necklace? Now, when all the efforts all go in vain, and also they have written a letter to her friend that uh, I will return your necklace. I have broken it from the one side, right? Then how they replace that necklace? After all the efforts fail, Lozels decide to buy a new identical necklace to replace the lost one. Mr. Lozel pooled in 18,000 francs of his inheritance and borrowed the rest. They have to pay 36,000, right? They possess 18,000, and 18,000 they borrowed from someone. Then the couple managed to buy the new necklace of 36,000 francs and return it to the rightful owner. Who is the rightful owner? Madame Frostier. From the page number 46, we have NCRT questions from the end of the lesson. Question number 1: the course of the Lozel's life changed due to the necklace. Comment how one necklace changes their life, how it ruins everything. So, comment your views about it from the lesson that you have read. It take Lozels a decade. Decade क्या होता है? 10 years to pay back the money they borrowed to buy the necklace, and it changed everything for them. They had to move to the poorest quarters of the city. Earlier they used to live to a better place. Now they went to the poorest area, okay, where they have to pay less amount of you know किराया कम देना पड़ेगा, और वहाँ पे रेंट कम लगेगा उनका. विद नो मेड्स. हमने क्वेश्चन पेपर में सॉरी इसमें लेसन में रीड किया था कि मेड भी हटा दी उन्होंने. मटिल्डा हैड टू कुक. नाउ what are the things Matilda have to face? She cooks in someone other's house. She cleaned everything. She sewed, silai kari. She, and for herself, she bargained with the grocer and butcher to save every sou just for mere survival. Every penny. Okay. The husband had to work in the evening and night to pay their debt. In this way, the course of Lozel's life changed due to the necklace. Look at everything, how they were जैसा भी था, बस मैडम लुज़ेल खुश नहीं रहती थी, बट अब देखो ये सब कुछ कितना चेंज हो गया, सिर्फ़ एक नेकलेस की वजह से। What was the cause of Matilda's ruin? How could she have avoided it? Matilda's pride and her materialistic aspirations, coupled with her dishonesty, paved the way for her ruin. Why? She always wanted a different world, a world of riches. She wanted to have everything around her. She wanted to have dresses, jewels, and she wanted to dine in lavish hotels. Okay, so this pride of to look better, to look good, and uh, uh, in her appreciation from others, this everything ruin her. She could have avoided it by learning to accept her current situation and being content with what she had. क्या है मेन क्रक्स, हमारा क्या मोरल निकल के आता है कि आप के पास जितना भी है, जितना भी आप पोजेस करते हो, जैसी भी सिचुएशंस में आप रहते हो उसमें खुश रहना चाहिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, what would have happened to Matilda if she had confessed to her friend that she had lost the necklace? कितना अच्छा होता ना अगर मटिल्डा अपनी फ्रेंड के सामने कन्फेस कर देती कि वो नेकलेस उसे गुम हो गया है। Yes, truth and honesty would have saved Matilda from her doom if only she has been courageous enough to confess to her friend that the truth of the necklace. She would have come to know दैट इट वॉज अ, उसको पता चल जाता कि वो तो फेक है, नकली था वो नेकलेस, और वो कितने का था, सिर्फ 500 फ्रॉन्क्स का। ये तो वो इजीली पे कर सकती थी, उसको इतना टाइम नहीं लगता जैसे उसने 10 साल ये 36,000 इकट्ठे करने में टाइम लगाया। शी वुड नॉट हैव स्पेंड हर हस्बैंड्स एंटायर इनहेरिटेंस एंड बोरोड 18,000 फ्रॉन्क्स टू पे फॉर इट्स रिप्लेसमेंट। उनका टाइम भी बचता, उनका रहना सहना भी नहीं इफ़ेक्ट होता, और उनके 18,000 भी बच जाते। In fact, she would have saved herself and her husband from 10 years of crushing poverty, misery, and back bearing labor that they have faced during all the 10 years. Just one effort she has to pay. एक ही तो बात करनी थी, सिर्फ सच बोलना था। Okay, this is very general question. No. Okay, this is the moral. Yes. Look at this question. We should be content with what life gives us. राइट, कि हमें जो लाइफ में हमारी ज़िंदगी में जितना भी हमारे पास है, जितना मिला है, हमें उसी में खुश होना चाहिए। लाइफ इज़ अ ग्रेट मिस्ट्री, यस इट इज़। फॉर एवरी इंडिविजुअल दिस मिस्ट्री ऑफ लाइफ कम्स wrapped in unique package, like we have seen in this story how a necklace changes everything. For some, it is all riches, comfort, name, and fame. For Matilda Loisel, how she wanted fame and name. For some, it is nothing but sheer hunger, poverty, anguish, and everyday quest for bare survival. On the one hand, there are riches, and on the other hand, there are poor people. One, however, must learn to live within one's means and to be content with what one has. One may try to improve his loss by honest means, but eventually must be at peace with one's managed to have. Okay, these are the long questions. I'm reading the most important one. Um, yes, ruin, I have told you also. Um, mm, yes. Let's read about her husband. How can you say that Mr. Loisel was a simple man and loved his wife very much? What efforts Mr. Loisel put to live his life and to make his wife happy. He was a petty clerk. He was a very small clerk in the office of the Board of Education. He was neither rich nor distinguished. He did not have a showy nature like Madame Matilda Loisel. He was different from her. He loved simple life, simple living. He loved simple home food served in ordinary utensils, lived in a simple house with shabby walls and worn chairs, but he did not have any complaint. On the other hand, Matilda always used to complain about this. He loved his wife very much and praised her beauty. He was fond of a she was fond of grandeur in life. She wanted a bigger things. So he managed to bring her an invitation to attend the minister's party. Through this invitation, what Mr. Lozel wants his wife to be happy. For that party, he offered her 400 francs to buy a new dress. He sacrificed that amount. When she had lost the necklace, without being aggressive, he arranged 36,000 francs for replacing the necklace, and he works by evening, by night, and he did a regular job also. So this is how he was a really great husband, a very great man. Okay, these are the some extract questions. uh, these are the 2 3 lines from your lesson. The day of the ball approached, and Matilda Loisel seemed sad, disturbed, anxious. Nevertheless, her dress was nearly ready. From these lines from the lesson, there are various questions. Why was Matilda Loisel sad and disturbed? Because she had no jewels to wear. She was sad and disturbed because she had no jewels. Why did she get a dress ready? Because she got a dress ready to put on the occasion of a ball party for a ball dance organized by Minister of Public Instruction. Right? What is a ball? Ball is a dance party. Which word means the same as coming? Like we have read from these lines, coming is approached. Come means ana, approached be ana. Okay, one more extract. Read the lines given below and answer the question that follows. I returned another to you exactly like it, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. You can understand that it was not easy for us who have nothing. These lines try to recall from the lesson, from the ending passages. These lines are told by Matilda to Madame Frostier. Who is I? I is Matilda Loisel. Why did it take the 10 years to pay for it? It took them hard to pay for 10 years because they have taken a debt. They have collected money from other people to uh, buy the necklace. राइट द एंटोनिम ऑफ नथिंग. एंटोनिम क्या होता है? उल्टा, विपरीत ऑफ नथिंग. नथिंग का हम क्या बोलेंगे? नथिंग मीन्स कुछ भी नहीं. और जैसे ही हम इन लाइंस में देखते हैं, जैसे हु हैव नथिंग, कुछ नहीं होना और सब कुछ होना मीन्स एवरीथिंग. विच वर्ड इन द पैसेज सीम्स द सेम एज सिमिलर. सिमिलर हमें बताना है. सिमिलर मीन्स exactly. Exactly is the same as similar. So these are our various questions from NCRT, and these are extract questions. Try to read first, learn them, and note down in notebooks. Thank you.